Hello boys. Oh. Yes, we are almost.
Okay.
We are almost on top of this meadow. Okay. Finally, we are here. Look at this beautiful waterfall. Oh, amazing, man. This is awesome. Oof. Look at this beautiful waterfall, man. The route is too steep, but it's worth to reach here. Oh man, this is awesome. Lovely. Finally we are here. It's almost 400 feet, I think. 400 feet maybe. Let's take a shower, man. I'm going to take shower. You हाँ बिल्कुल. We are on our way back to our campsite. We are actually thinking to change our campsite. We want to bring our campsite a little bit upside. Wow. Actually our friend is carrying the wood for bonfire at night. This would be very useful for bonfire tonight. Yeah, of course. We'll make a big bonfire, you know. We have no wood problem. We have a lot of wood. So yes, you are really expert in martial art. Look at it. Wow, good man, well done. क्या स्लो मो बनेगा. Whoa. Now preparing dinner, a light dinner, not so heavy. I think the light. My friends wanted to make something light, like noodles. So because we had lunch late at 5 o'clock, so now we will enjoy the noodles with the stock. This is our kitchen. This is a bushcraft cooking kitchen, and that one is our bonfire. We will make some huge bonfire tonight. We had a plan to celebrate Ahmad's birthday. Okay, we will celebrate it in advance in the wilderness.
Pre-birthday celebration.
Yeah.
تبغي سايني بتاعي ريد وزيتي يمي التلان بتاعي وزي يمي يمي spiritually enlightenment نشاني بتاعي يمي خلاص ايوه concept Ghargo Meadow